Hello, I am honored to present AI-powered DQ agents built by my team. My first prompt is for identification of attributes in scope. So as you can see, this RAG model is able to read my KYC policy, and based on that, it is going to reverse generate the attributes from my customer object that needs to be monitored for policy compliance. So as you can see, it almost started generating those. It's still thinking. Yeah. So you can see it is listing down the actual column names that need to be monitored. It is also giving me a futuristic guidance that today we don't capture criminal history of a client, which we might have to do that in future. The second use case is for unstructured data, basically the call reports for KYC purpose. Bankers have to talk to the client 90 days before the KYC due date. Sometimes they're pressed against time. They don't do that. They may actually go and create some dummy call records, and I set up some test data. So as you can see, this AI agent is able to will be able to actually capture that use case. So here it's a dummy call record which the model was able to find out. The third use case is for SSN attribute. So this agent will be able to give us validation rules for SSN. It will also be able to give us a SQL query, which could be run on the source databases or various data warehouses. And for my test data, it will be able to give me a count of clients having bad SSNs. And last, most interesting piece, that for one client, we have ID verification document on file. It was able to read that and come back and say that yeah, it's a valid SSN. The last use case is for transaction trend monitoring, where the model is basically able to read the transaction, find the pattern, the recurring patterns, and find any anomalies. So I had set up test data for one client where there were two large deposits which were sort of outliers. And as you can see here, the model is able to find out those two use cases.